Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send emails using Google Workspace, whether for business or personal use. So, the first thing that you will have to do in order to actually do these steps is you need appropriate user management privilege. So, what is this? So, let's go ahead and I'll explain it to you. So, admins with a user's privilege can perform actions on users, and only super admins can change another admin settings. Also, grant the corresponding admin API privileges about above. So, these are basically it. So, the first thing that you should have is you should have the create feature read and update, and it grants the ability to change the user accounts, including archiving and so on. And only super admins can use the transfer tool to transfer and manage user accounts to Google Workspace manage user accounts, and suspend users, rename users, reset password, force password change, and yeah, and all that stuff is on this ANSI. So you do have to make sure that you have that privilege before proceeding to the next step. So again, once you sign in with your administrator account to the Google Admin Console, what you will have to do is you will go to the menu page. So it should look like this, and then go ahead and click directory, then users. And then in the users list, you will just have to check the box for each user that you want to send a message to. And if all users belong to the same organizational unit, you will just have to select it on the left to find the users more easily. You might need to click this, so it should look like this at the upper area to see the organizational tree. Or if the users are in a different organizations, on the left you will select users from all organization units. At the top of the page, you will click email selected users and send the image. And by the way, you can also send an email from a user's account page. In the users list, click the user's name, and then on the left, click more than email. And yeah, that's basically how you could send email to other people using Google Workspace. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.